Welcome back to Bike Rush, where we break down motorcycles that define real-world riding. Today, we're talking about the 2026 Yamaha TW200, a legendary dual sport that continues to stand out with simplicity, reliability, and unmistakable style. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 stays true to its roots. Its iconic fat tires, compact proportions, and rugged stance give it a look that's instantly recognizable. Yamaha hasn't tried to reinvent the TW200. Instead, it refines a formula that has worked for decades, appealing to riders who value character over complexity. Engine and performance. Powering the TW200 is a dependable air-cooled 196 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. It's tuned for smooth, predictable power rather than speed, making it ideal for beginners and experienced riders alike. Throttle response is friendly, torque comes in low, and the bike feels comfortable crawling over trails or cruising through city streets. One of the TW200's defining features remains its oversized tires. These wide tires provide exceptional grip on sand, gravel, mud, and uneven terrain. For 2026, Yamaha continues to emphasize stability and confidence, allowing riders to explore off-road paths with less intimidation and more control. With its low seat height and lightweight chassis, the 2026 TW200 is incredibly approachable. Maneuvering at low speeds feels effortless, and tight trails or urban traffic never feel overwhelming. This bike is built to be fun, forgiving, and stress-free. The TW200 focuses on function over flash. A simple instrument cluster, durable steel frame, electric start, and proven suspension setup ensure long-term reliability. It's a motorcycle designed to be ridden hard, maintained easily, and trusted for years. This bike is perfect for new riders, adventure seekers, campers, and anyone who wants a no-nonsense dual sport. It's not about top speed or cutting-edge tech, it's about freedom, exploration, and enjoying the ride at your own pace. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 proves that simplicity never goes out of style. With its unique design, dependable performance, and unmatched versatility, it remains one of the most lovable dual-sport motorcycles on the market. Stay tuned to Bike Rush for more motorcycle reviews, updates, and rider-focused content.